Welcome to Unit 4, Household Air Pollution, a matter of climate change, poverty, and risk perception. By the end of this unit, you will outline the role of household air pollution impacts on the environment, climate change, and poverty. You'll discuss how household air pollution is often a matter of risk perception and identify some of the barriers to the adoption of clean household energy use. Household air pollution is a climate change-related issue. Anthropogenic emissions of carbon dioxide, other greenhouse gases, as well as short-lived climate pollutants are the main drivers of climate change. Household air pollution is closely linked to climate change because it adds carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, and it also emits short-lived climate pollutants, or SLCPs. SLCPs are air pollutants with a shorter atmospheric lifetime than carbon dioxide, spanning a few days to a couple of decades. But their warming potential is much greater. SLCPs include tropospheric ozone, methane, hydrofluorocarbons, and black carbon. As air pollutants, some SLCPs, particularly black carbon and tropospheric ozone, are known to harm human health. Black carbon is a component of fine particulate matter. Among all warming pollutants, it is estimated to be the second most important contributor to climate change after carbon dioxide. Household biomass use is the leading source of black carbon around the world, estimated to account for between 25 and 50% of global black carbon emissions. Collecting firewood fuel for cooking practices is not only a burden for many women and children across the globe, it also contributes to deforestation and therefore to environmental degradation and climate change more broadly. Clean energy solutions are therefore a unique opportunity for climate change mitigation. A common misconception about the scaling up of cleaner fuels in homes relate to the greenhouse gas emissions associated with increased adoption of fossil fuels such as LPG or natural gas. However, a number of studies and assessments indicate that when accounting for all the climate-changing pollutants found in household air pollution, such as black carbon, as well as the unsustainable harvesting of biomass fuels, the net climate impacts of cleaner fossil fuels is far less than traditional biomass use. Household air pollution is also a socioeconomic issue. Wealthier households in low and middle income countries are more likely to rely on cleaner, more efficient fuels and technologies for cooking. Most households in low and middle income countries often use a combination of unclean and clean fuels to meet their needs, which is called stacking. Higher income households tend to use combinations of cleaner fuels and technologies. Studies show that people often do not perceive household air pollution as a significant health risk. Affordability is a key factor. Upfront cost investments required for cleaner transitional stoves are too high and serve as a barrier or reason not to use clean fuels and technologies in poorer households. Households are more likely to spend their limited income on other household goods and leisure than on cleaner stoves and fuels. Households are not driven to use cleaner stoves because it improves their health. They are more likely to select a device if it will save them time, use less wood, cook faster, save money, or even because it looks more attractive. Increased awareness is needed of the benefits of clean household energy to protect people's health, well-being, and safety, as well as the climate. You have now completed Unit 4. In the next unit, we will provide a global snapshot on access to clean fuels and technology at the household level.